Yo, what's up guys, it's Janesec here. Excuse my dirty table, but today I have a special little phone that people call the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus.
You're listening to Redneck.
So yes, this is the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. I mean, it's crazy that it's here on the table at Janesec. So yeah, I bet you guys did not expect this. I didn't even expect it, but it's here. So obviously I'm gonna do videos on it. Obviously I'm gonna go through all that stuff and just like, I don't know, we're gonna see how this works out. So it's already been pre-unboxed by Sprint, you know, because you got activated and everything like that, but we're gonna do the best we can to make it like we never unboxed it. So first off, you just slide it off like that. This is a Samsung thing, and then you got Samsung branded right there, and then over here it looks like you just open it. Really nice unboxing, except that's like okay. And then this is the Samsung Galaxy S8. So let's look more into the box. And here it looks like we got some contents in here. I'm pretty sure a user manual. You got your SIM ejector and all that. You got chargers here. You got Samsung box here with some AKG new earbuds from Samsung that they, you know, bought out. So we got some new AKG earbuds here. They supposedly sound great. So we're gonna keep that in there though with everything else. So let's put everything back together real quick, but what matters most is the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So yes guys, this is actually the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's go ahead and take off that. There we go. And look at that clear, good looking Samsung Galaxy there. It looks pretty good. So actually that was another Samsung in the background. So let's take this off. Man, that's nice. So again, we have a little sticker here. I hate when Samsung puts that on there, but whatever, just take this off and then you're good to go. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. It feels pretty good, I'm gonna be honest with you, but everything's just like, it feels like a pretty premium, you know, good phone. So let's look around the phone real quick. So it looks like we got a power button right here. On the back we got our flash and our heart rate monitor. Here we got our camera, and here we got our fingerprint scanner, which makes no sense at all why they have it back here instead of like in here, right here in the Samsung logo. I don't know, I guess just to make the looks better, but whatever. So Samsung logo, Galaxy S8, and then we got some info down here. On the side we got our 2 volume rockers and our dedicated Bixby button. So I can go ahead and show you that right now. So if we go ahead and press this, it'll bring us to Bixby apparently. So okay, yeah, Bixby. So yeah, welcome to Bixby, your onboard assistant. So let's go ahead and hit next. It looks pretty good. Pretty sure this is a lot better than S Voice, but let's go ahead and check this out, like what the deal is. So Bixby, it makes this little noises and whatnot, whatever. So this is Bixby. What sucks is they don't got the voice assistant, and everything's just like, you just got Google Now cards basically. So I mean, that's pretty much it. But here you got like your Facebook trending, you got your schedules, you got your upcoming reminders, you got Samsung stuff, news, you got everything here. And then this is actually like a force touch button here. So if you go ahead and force press that, you can see it brings you to the home button. But everything looks good in here. Like the phone app is the phone app, and then you get your camera app here. Everything just looks good. Let's go ahead and hit okay, next, okay. And the camera, like I said, it looks pretty good. Let's go to the front facing. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I heard that it has some kind of Bixby features, so let's go ahead and press this right here, and it should recognize like what we have in our view. So let's go ahead, I agree to all the terms, allow. Okay, let's see if it brings up this box. So I'm pointing at it and it's not really picking up anything. Maybe I should, oh wait, let's pick up image. Let's see here. So WhatsApp, okay, that's not what we want. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. I'm pretty sure it works well, but we don't got anything good here really, so let's just go back home. We got our new weather widget here. Everything looks the same pretty much in weather as like in the regular Samsung Marshmallow and all that. Everything looks pretty much the same, but things look good on here. Got your edge panels here like on the Galaxy S6 when it was first introduced, and everything. I just like the phone a lot, guys. And you got this new way of getting to your apps by swiping up and down and everything. I'm just like really, I like this phone a lot. And then up here, I'm just show you this real quick. That's your iris scanner right there. So you can go ahead and, you know, iris scan, I guess. I mean, I heard it's not the best thing in the world, but it's pretty good. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I will do like comparisons to the first Samsung Galaxy and the first ever Android phone, all that, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this. Follow me on social media at Janesec for Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook. Look up Janesec. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.